Before I introduce our guest speaker for this afternoon, remind ko lang kayo, di ba? Naalala nyo, from our previous lesson, we were able to talk about uh, yung introduction to investments. Okay, we were able to talk about kung para saan ba yung investments and the different types of investments. Nakagawa din kayo ng activity na kung kayo ay papipiliin, which investment are you going to choose? And for this afternoon, our guest speaker would explain to us kung ano bang importansya ng mag-i-invest ka in your future. And syempre, she would also remind us kung gaano ba ka-importante mag-manage ng finances natin. Okay, so please welcome my good friend. Yan, ang magiging ninang ng aking baby, si Miss Angelica Ellaga. Okay, palakpakan natin siya. Ayan. Good afternoon, Miss Angelica.
Gusto ko yung palakpak. Char. Ayan, good afternoon, guys. Hindi ko alam kung totoo ko silang students kasi parang pang bata masyado yata yun.
Guys, para para magkaedad. Magkakaedad
Hello,
naman
friends.
tayo, di ba? Hindi naman nagkakalayo yung edad natin.
True. True enough. Ayun. So, first of all, I'd like to thank your Coach RJ for inviting me to share with you guys today. It's such an honor and a privilege to be imparting knowledge sa inyo at your young age about financial literacy. I can only hope na during our time or siguro nung 17 or 18 ako, someone has already introduced this to me. Baka hindi ko na, baka na-avoid ko yung mga bad financial decisions na ginawa ko in my early adulthood life, ganun. Yun. So this is a good, please take this as a good opportunity para ma-inform kayo, ma-educate as early as now, so that kapag nandun na kayo sa adulting stage after yung mag-graduate and you start earning your income, you know how to manage your finances. And isa yun sa masasabi ko na life hacks talaga. Kapag na-manage mo yung finances mo, parang whatever happens, masusurpass mo yung yung financial difficulties na dadating.
Kumbaga meron kang contingency, no?
Yes, you know what to do, hindi ka papanik, hindi ka mababaon sa utang, hindi mo kailangan ibenta yung kidney mo, gano'n. Hindi pa naman tayo dumadating sa ganung point. Pero,
wala pa naman.
Good thing, no? Bago tayo dumating sa ganung point, na-prevent na natin.
Correct.
Ayun, so I would like to share a little bit about myself. Yeah, you can call me Ella, and I graduated from De La Salle University, Las Marinas, dito rin sa Cavite, but in Dasma, with a degree in AB Psychology. Ayun. So, pinractice ko naman yung course ko kasi, I ventured into the industrial side ng psychology. So, nandun ako sa recruitment. Na-enjoy ko siya. I worked in 2 different industries. So, sa BPO, where I met Coach RJ, and I met and worked with and became friends with Coach RJ. And then, yung most recent is logistics industry. So, yun, by profession as a recruitment ako, or nasa HR. Tapos, last year, I was introduced to being a part-time financial advisor under PRU Life UK, and this year I was able to get promoted as assistant unit manager. So, ayun.
Wow, congrats. Promotion agad, di ba? Bilis ng promotion.
Thanks. Ayun, so a little bit about our company. So I represent PRU Life UK. I'm not sure if you guys have seen us or our company in TV commercials or Facebook ads, ganyan. But pag nakita niyo yung tagline ng listening, understanding, delivering, that's automatically PRU Life UK.
Okay.
So a little bit about our company. Kami, Philippine subsidiary ng Prudential PLC, which is based in London, United Kingdom. Dito sa Philippines, 24 years old pa lang si PRU Life UK, pero yung mother company namin has been founded since 1848. So,
Wow.
172 years na in the business of insuring lives and offering
Mhm.
financial services. So, yun. Tapos, we pioneered the unit-linked or investment-linked life insurance in the Philippines. And, yun, among the top life insurers. So we landed the second spot last year. Tapos we were also given the award for 3 years in a row now for ASEAN Corporate Governance Scorecard. That's awarded by the Insurance Commission. And also for this year sa Forbes Global Companies 2020, we ranked 222nd. So yun, ano yun, buong global, so buong mundo
Wow.
across different industries. So, nandun si SM Investments Corporation, Nike, Starbucks,
Mhm.
yun, BDO.
How many companies is
2,000
participating?
siya.
Ah,
2,000
222nd, 'no?
companies.
Oo.
Yeah, ayun. So, medyo nasa like 700 plus or 1,000 plus na yata na kuha ng SM Investments and BDO. So, basically, malulugi muna sila bago malugi si PRU Life UK. Parang
Mhm.
ganun. Ayun. Okay, so that's like a brief background lang about our our company.
Mhm.
Ayan. Okay, so I was asked kung ano ba yung insurance.
Mhm.
So I prepared this short slides for you guys kasi looking back no at my age nung 17 or 18 ako wala talaga akong idea about
Oo,
insurance.
tama.
Syempre ang priority lang naman natin as students 'di ba is mag-aral
Oo,
to make our
magkilay.
parents proud. Ay nung time ko hindi pa ako marunong magkilay. Hanggang ngayon actually hindi pa ako marunong
Ako
magkilay.
yun ang ano ko,
So
eh,
10 years ko na siyang inaaral.
yun ang ano ko, eh, major concern ko before kung maayos ba yung kilay ko. So,
Ako siguro
oo,
yung
'di ba?
gumamit ng liquid eyeliner.
Anong
Char.
lipstick ang gagamitin, 'yan, 'di ba? Nung mga gano'ng edad pa lang tayo.
Pero ayun. So kaya I would totally understand na hindi pa natin masyadong focus or priority talaga tong insurance. Kasi nga, yun nga, iba yung nasa stage tayo ng buhay natin right now na iba yung priority natin, which is
Mhm,
yun nga, yung pag-aaral natin, di ba? Which is para din sa future natin, right?
mhm,
Ayun. So, by the simplest definition, insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. It is basically a form of risk management primarily used to hedge against the risk of a contingent or uncertain loss. So, basically, may insurance kasi may risk. Diba? Ang daming types of risk. Marami rin namang types ng insurance kasi maraming types of risk, diba? So,
mhm,
pero ang pinaka-focus natin right now is yung life insurance. Kasi if you
mhm,
would remember, diba, para sa inyo na may mga cars yung parents nyo or kayo mismo may car, diba, you have car insurance.
mhm.
For your house, baka meron kayong house
Oo,
insurance.
mga
For
fire
your
insurance 'no, ganyan, oo.
fire
Mm,
insurance.
sa
Tapos,
buildings.
Sa gadget, may insurance din, 'di ba? Especially for people na naka-postpaid plan, ganyan.
Mhm,
So, nandun yung insurance, ino-offer ng mga insurance companies yung insurance kasi, yun nga, may risk. Kunyari, sa kotse, may risk of getting into an accident. Pwedeng ma-damage yung kotse mo and
mhm.
everything. So, kaya na-imbento or kaya nagkaroon ng car insurance. Ganon din
Okey,
naman sa home insurance kasi may risk of fire.
Earthquakes, 'yan, ganyan.
Oo, mga
Earthquakes,
natural
fire, natural
disasters, ganyan.
calamities,
Oo, exactly, natural calamities. Gano'n din sa gadget kasi may risk of yung theft or pagkawala ng gadget pagkanakaw o kaya naman puwede siyang masira. Kunyari nasa CR ka, dinala mo sa CR which is very common, dinadala natin sa CR yung
nalalaglag na
phone
sa
natin,
baba.
ganyan. Oo, kaya puwedeng mabasa siya sa tubig or what,
Mm.
puwedeng mabagsak or whatnot. Kaya may insurance din. Ayun, so again, in its simplest form, insurance is just a means of protection from financial loss, and also to safeguard yourself financially from risks. Kasi nga there are risks na iba-ibang risks na pwede nating ma-encounter sa
Mhm.
sa buhay natin. Ayun. So, the next question is ano bang importance ng insurance? Kasi yun nga, naiintindihan natin na insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. Pero how does it relate to me as a student, 'di ba? Parang katulad nga ng nabanggit ko kanina, hindi natin to priority or hindi natin to focus right now. So, there are a lot of reasons kung bakit important yung life insurance, pero I'm going to narrow it down lang to 3 important reasons. So number 1 is it ensures your family's financial stability. So sa anong paraan? 'Yun. Kasi 'di ba, sabi natin kanina, there are madaming risks na pwedeng mangyari sa atin sa buhay. Like kunyari, risk of getting sick or getting critically ill, yung risk of meeting an accident, o kaya getting disabled due to that accident, o kaya naman yung simpleng hospitalization, o kaya naman yung worst case scenario is risk of loss of life. So, sa atin as a family, no matter how much na yung na-save natin or gaano man kalaki yung savings ng mommy at daddy natin. Kapag mayroong isang family member na halimbawa nagkasakit, let's just say medyo malala yung naging sakit niya. Pero again, hindi naman natin wini-wish, no? Let's just say someone in the family got cancer. Not because may lahi, but because na-acquire due to lifestyle. Kasi according to research naman, parang there's 90% chance na ma-acquire mo yung lifestyle kahit there's only like 5 to 10% na mamana mo siya. Kahit sa
Hereditary, no?
oo, so mas malaki pa rin yung chance na ma-acquire mo yung
Kunyari,
cancer due to
mga
lifestyle. Kasi
normally lung cancer kasi sa mga nag-smoke, 'di ba?
oo,
Mga
secondhand
smoke,
smoke. O
secondhand
kahit nga hindi nagsi-smoke,
smoker.
secondhand smoker, ganyan. Yes. Oo, sa environment, sa stress, sa pollution. Lalo na sa current condition natin ngayon, no? So, yun, there are, hindi talaga malabo na pwedeng healthy ka ngayon, pero in the future mag-acquire ka ng cancer. So, halimbawa, yun nga, meron sa family nagkasakit, may cancer siya, and when we say cancer, di ba, it entails expensive treatment kasi wala pa talagang sure way or anong tawag dito, cure for cancer. Pero right now, ang pinakagamot for cancer is chemotherapy, di ba? And we can only imagine ang cost of chemotherapy. So, yes, and depende pa yon sa type ng cancer mo, kung ilang sessions yung ire-require sa'yo ng doktor. Kaya, hindi ko sure kung may mga naka-experience sa inyo, like sa immediate family or sa relatives or sa friends, no? Pero, unang-una tinatanong sa'yo ng doktor kapag may cancer ka is kung meron ka bang insurance. So, yun yung yun yung isa sa mga unang tanong na itatanong sa iyo ng doktor. Hindi itatanong ng doktor kung meron ka bang magandang bahay or magandang sasakyan. Unang itatanong kung meron
Kung
kang
may insurance ka ba?
insurance. So, going back, kung hindi napaghandaan ng family yon, syempre yung itinatabi yung savings, pwedeng siyang
Pag-allow,
masalvage.
oo.
Imagine yung ilang taon na inipon na savings ng family mo, pwede siyang mawala in just a snap. Pwedeng masalvage. O kaya naman ikaw ngayon, 'di ba? Kayo ngayon nag-aaral kayo, for most of us naman, it's our parents na nagpapaaral sa atin, 'di ba? So if let's say one of our parents or someone in the family nga nagkaroon ng ganung scenario tapos hindi natin siya napaghandaan, maapektuhan tayo. Kasi paano kung yung sinisave pala na pang tuition, yung masalvage kasi kailangan ma-prolong ng family member natin kasi priority natin yung life. So we'll do everything para ma-prolong yung life ng ng family member natin. So pag dumating sa point na ma-exhaust na yung savings, pwedeng dumating sa point na pati yung investment ng nyo na bahay or sasakyan, pwede rin siyang masalvage kasi nga hindi
As
natin
collateral, no?
Oo, kasi nga hindi natin siya napagandaan. So, the first benefit of having insurance is it ensures families financial stability. Kasi if you have insurance at nagkaroon halimbawa ng financial setback, let's just say, due to something unexpected, yun nga, may nagkasakit sa family or nagkaroon ng untimely death, tapos yung nawala pa is yung breadwinner. So, it makes sure na kahit wala na si breadwinner, parang nandyan pa rin siya. Kasi nga, merong safety net na sasalo doon sa doon sa expenses nyo, doon sa para mapagpatuloy yung standard of living na meron ngayon yung family
Family.
nyo. Yes, oo, kaya yun. Okay, so another reason is it brings peace of mind. Kasi nga naman, yun nga, kapag kunwari nagkaroon ng uncertainty, tinamaan ng life's uncertainty yung family, may nangyari, 'di ba? Hindi mo kailangan ng hindi mo kailangang ang tawag doon, mamroblema, parang gano'n. Kung saan ka ba kukuha ng ng pampagamot, ganyan. Kasi nga, you have your insurance na in place. Nandun na siya, which will act as a safety net kung sakali man na tamaan ng life's uncertainty yung hindi man yung parents mo pwedeng kunwari ikaw, no? It's important that each of the family members is insured kasi halimbawa in your case, kayo yung kasi hindi natin may iwasan, may mga cases na no, parang among children or among young people, may mga tinatamaan talaga ng sakit
Oh,
or
yeah.
let's say aksidente, ayan. So, at least if all of the family members are insured, hindi kailangang mag-worry, hindi kailangang masalvage yung mga pinaghirapan, ganyan. Hindi mo kakailanganin mahinto sa pag-aaral kasi nga insured yung buong family member niyo or ikaw mismo. 'Di ba? Parang hindi ka kailanganin masalvage yung pang-tuition mo na ipangbabayad na lang daw sa
Sa gamot,
hospitalization mo,
oo,
parang gano'n.
hospitalization, oo.
Yun. So it brings peace of mind. Hindi naman porket sinabi natin may insurance, hindi ka na mamomroblema. But let's just
It's a
say
big help, no?
financially,
Oo, big help
financially
naman siya.
speaking,
Financially
yun,
speaking.
malaki siyang tulong. Yes. Ayun. Number 3 is, ayun, ano siya, no? Actually, parang somewhat related sila to one another. And kung mapapansin nyo, ano siya, intangible talaga yung benefits ng insurance sa tao, parang gano'n. Hindi siya matutumbasan ng it's not parang tantamount to any material or physical thing, ganyan. Ayan. To continue, third is it reduces stress during difficult times. So yun nga, pag nagkaroon ng life's uncertainty, let's say nagkasakit, you can focus on recovery kasi alam mo na napaghandaan mo yung uncertainty na yun. So hindi mo iisipin kung kakailanganin bang pumila ng mom ko sa mga gantong organizations or ganitong
Lumapit, no?
mga
Lumapit
government
for
offices or lumapit sa ganitong politiko. Mas stress
oo.
ka eh, 'di ba? Parang kung may sakit ka tapos iisipin mo yun at the back of your mind,
Any
baka
other source of funds,
parang
diba?
it can take like an emotional or physical toll sa'yo. Ayan, sorry. Nagkaroon ba ng ng disconnection?
It's okay.
Ayan, sorry. Ayan, so, ayan, you can focus on recovery kasi alam mo nga na napaghandaan mo na siya ahead of time, 'di ba? So, hindi mo na kailangan ma-stress or mag-worry pa doon sa financial hardship na pwedeng i-cause nun sa'yo and sa family mo.
Yes.
So, yun yung ilan sa mga importance ng insurance sa atin. So, ayun.
So, kahit
Next
pala
is,
kahit pala,
ay sorry, yes.
yun nga, so kahit ngayon bata pa sila, na nasa age pa lang sila na ganyan, pwede naman silang magpa-insured, right?
Actually, that's why ang life insurance, pwede mo siyang i-avail as early as 7 days old pa lang yung kapalang,
7 month
gano'n,
o
or yung
7 days old, kakalabas pa lang nung bata talaga, no?
oo, kahit 1 week old pa lang puwede nang i-insure. Kasi nga, yun, kumbaga, kahit baby exposed sa ano, hindi exempted from getting sick, from
Lumalaban pa yan sila ng ano sa kasi nagbi-build up pa yung immune system nila. So,
oo, true.
kailangan na.
There are stories, 'di ba, may mga news, may mga nakikita tayo sa Facebook, mga baby, pero
Oo.
ang dami na nakakabit na ano, na mga ano yun,
Support,
suwero and
life
tubo
support.
and everything. Oo, mga gano'n. Kasi nga, no one is exempted talaga. Parang wala siyang pinipiling age, wala siyang pinipiling gender, wala siyang pinipiling financial status. So it can happen to anyone, mabait ka man or
Oo.
or hindi.
Tama.
Yun, it can happen to anyone. Kaya as early as 7 days, pwede nang i-insure. Yun nga, maraming risks and we need to be prepared and protected from life's uncertainties and yung mga risks sa buhay. Ayun. So, how is insurance an investment? So, insurance is an investment kasi parang in a sense you are putting like a portion of your money para sa iyo and sa family mo in the future. Kumbaga parang investment siya not only for today but for your future. Parang ganun. Kasi yung insurance naman, it's not something na ina-avail natin kapag kailangan na natin eh. It's something na ina-avail natin habang hindi pa natin kailangan. Para pag dumating yung time na kailangan na natin siya, naka-ready siya. Kasi baka by the time na kailangan natin siya, hindi na tayo insurable. Kasi we buy insurance with health. Besides sa age natin. Kasi as we age, life insurance gets expensive or more expensive. Ganun din kapag medyo naka-compromise yung health natin. Pwedeng bata ka pa pero medyo compromised na yung health mo. So, yung life insurance may become expensive for you. O kaya naman, hindi na ganun ka-comprehensive yung coverage na pwedeng maibigay sa'yo ng insurance company. So, that's how insurance is an investment, generally. Pero, if we will look at it in terms of parang if we will dig deeper, yung insurance is an investment kasi it has tax benefits. Life insurance itself is tax-free. So, if let's say, yung life insurance mo, like, let's say, yun nga, nagkaroon ng death in the family. So, yung life insurance na makukuha ng beneficiaries, ng loved ones, is going to be tax-free. Exempted siya sa VAT, sa 12%, withholding tax, ganyan. So,
So kung
tax-free siya.
like for example, 2 million yung makukuha ng family, buo nilang makukuha yun as a 2 million, no?
Yes. Yes. Tapos, ito, hindi pa natin masyado ma-appreciate ito ngayon. Pero in the future, kapag nakapag-build na tayo ng maraming assets and properties, that's the time na ma-appreciate natin yung life insurance as an investment. Kasi it's very useful for estate planning. Kasi, yun nga, hindi naman din hindi tayo forever na nandito sa mundo. Kaya yung may iwan nating properties, assets, and everything, pinaplano din kung paano natin siya matatransfer sa
Kumbaga siya,
natin.
sa lesson kasi, this is going to be one of our lessons kasi din sa next module namin yung estate planning. Kasi financial planning nga siya. Tapos yung estate planning kasi 'di ba, Miss Angelica, nandun siya sa dulo. Pag siya ng estate planning, ibig sabihin ng class, yung will, kumbaga, yung magiging will mo, saan mapupunta yung
Last will and testament.
mga
Yes. Part ng estate planning.
mga buildings mo, mga kotse mo, ganyan, yung pangkilay mo, saan mo pupunta yan. Yan yung estate planning, okay? So, isa siya sa mga investments din, yan. Kasi you are planning for the future. Part yan ng sa financial planning. Okay, go ahead, Miss Angelica.
Yes. Tapos, aside from that, insurance is also an investment kasi it allows you to accumulate wealth. Kasi 'di ba sabi natin, kapag prepare ka na for life's uncertainties, in place na yung insurance mo, it gives you an opportunity to acquire wealth. In a sense na, kunwari, mag-invest ka sa ganitong investment vehicle. Say for example, nag-invest ka sa stocks. Tapos, kunwari may nangyari sa'yo. Yung investment mo sa stocks, intact siya. So, kasi nga meron kang insurance, hindi magagalaw yung investment mo kasi nga nandun yung insurance mo as your safety net na pwedeng sumalo sa expenses mo. Hindi mo kakailanganin na i-withdraw yung investment mo sa stocks kasi nga napagandaan mo siya. May pang pagamot ka, kumbaga. O kaya naman, tawag dito, it hindi lang yun nga, tulad ng sabi ni Coach RJ na pag-aralan nyo na yung iba't ibang investment vehicle. So, hindi lang investment sa stocks. Kapag kunwari, may excess fund ka, pwede kang mag-invest sa time deposit, sa bank,
Ayan,
ganyan. O
bank.
kaya
Mga
naman mutual fund,
certificate deposits, mutual
UITF,
funds, yan. Yung
mga ganon,
yung
mga
mga
bonds
napag-usapan
and
namin na
everything.
investments. Real estate, yan. Hindi siya
Oo.
magagalaw. Yan. Kasi
Real estate, yes, oo.
Oh.
Yes, oo.
So
Kasi nga
parang ano din siya, no?
napagandaan mo siya.
Parang ano din siya, Miss Angelica, parang investment vehicle din siya, kumbaga, yung insurance, no?
Actually, kasi may mga life insurance na yun nga, maraming types ng life insurance and ngayon may mga life insurance na may investment component that allows you to grow or helps you to grow your money for you. Hindi siya yung hindi lang syempre naging innovative na rin yung insurance companies. Hindi
Yes.
lang yung insurance na wala kang parang may mapapakinabangan lang yung family mo kapag nawala ka na, parang gano'n. May mga insurance na na habang nabubuhay ka, merong mga benefits or living benefits na tinatawag. And at the same time, meron ding may investment allocation so that over time, hindi mo man magamit yung insurances mo or like yung coverage mo or benefits sa insurance mo. Meron kang investment na pwede mong magamit for your for your
Retirement.
long-term goals,
Yung mga
like
ganyan,
retirement. Ganyan. Ayun. Ayun. So, that's basically it. I would like to leave you with a simple quote about life insurance. Sabi dyan, life insurance is like a parachute. If you don't have it the first time you need it, there is no second chance. Walang author na nakalagay kung sino. So, lagay ko dyan unknown. Yun. So, syempre, di ba parang, di ba sa mga skydivers, kapag nagloloko yung parang kumbaga the only weapon or the only safe
life-saving,
na meron sila is yung parachute. Otherwise, there's a chance or like merong very slim chance na pagbagsak nila is buhay sila kasi imagine
tama.
it's
Depende sa babagsakan mo eh.
Oo, parang ilang libong feet yun
Tama.
from the
From the
ground.
sky, from the ground.
So, yun lang. It's important na meron tayong life insurance para by the time na kailanganin natin siya, ready na tayo. Kasi nga baka by the time na kailanganin natin siya and wala pa tayo, hindi na tayo magkaroon ng access
Chance
to life
pa o
insurance.
second chance. No? That's true. Ayan. So klase, nakita nyo na na-discuss ni Miss Angelica yung na ang insurance could also be one of investment vehicles. Okay? So idadagdag natin siya dun sa anim na investments na napag-usapan natin from our previous module. The reason why I wanted to to make Miss Angelica our guest is we want you, together with Miss Angelica, we want you to open up your minds to these kinds of things. Kasi sabi nga namin, kung sa edad namin na kagaya ninyo, we are actually wishing na meron sana din na kagaya namin na nag-open up sa amin ng ganitong klase ng bagay. Kasi kung titingnan kasi natin siya, 10 years, 'di ba? 10 years sa aming edad namin. Syempre matagal na 'yun sa amin kasi nasa na kami, nasa 20-ish na kami plus. So, syempre kung
Late 20s.
20-ish plus na kami after 10 years, that's going to be 30-ish plus na. So, medyo late na siya, 'di ba? Not unlike if you are going to be insured and if you are going to invest as early as 17 o kaya as early as, sabi nga ni Miss Angelica, 7-day-old ka pa lang, nag-i-insured ka na, 'di ba? Nag-i-invest ka na sa real estate, 7 years old ka pa lang, 'di ba? Kumbaga, you are preparing for your future. Kumbaga, gagaan kasi yung buhay mo kung sakali. So instead of us alam mo yun, spending our money in other things na may depreciation, like yung mga kotse, cellphone, yan naman, lagi naman yung may bago eh. After every 6 months, may bago yan. 'Di ba? Mga bags. Okay? Kasi 300 peso bag is no different from 300,000 peso bag. Same pa din naman yan eh. Parehas pa rin yan sila na pwede mong lagyan ng wallet mo, pwede mong lagyan ng gamit na dapat mong ilagay. So instead of you buying things that, alam mo yun, na parang hindi naman natin siya masyadong kailangan. So let's just put it somewhere else na mas mapapakinabangan natin tayo and also our family. So yan. Miss Angelica, meron po ba kayong message sa ating mga students before we wrap up our session? Paano po ba kayo
Message,
nila
ano ba?
makontak? Kaya, paano po ba kayo nila pwedeng kontakin?
Sige, I will, leave my contact details na lang din with Coach RJ kasi hindi ko nalagay yung,
Okay, that's alright. Yun
details.
sa PowerPoint presentation nating class, meron details dun si Miss Angelica. So, meron siya dun yung, if ever that you would like to know more about insurances, you can call her. Okay, you can chat her on her Facebook and you can also email her at the email na nilagay ko dun sa PowerPoint presentation natin. So, alam niyo, marami pa kasi tayong pwedeng matutunan kay Miss Angelica about life insurances. Okay? At meron tayo ding mga products, right, Miss Angelica, sa PRU Life na
Yes, actually.
kasi pag-uusapan niyo yan nila Miss Angelica kung ano yung magiging fit na insurance product para sa'yo and even sa family mo, pwede din yan. So again, we are encouraging all of you guys na as early as now, open up your options to these kinds of things. Kasi sabi nga ni Miss Angelica, it's like a parachute. Kung sa unang best na hindi mo siya, nawala ka niyan, mawawala na tayo ng isa pang chance. Diba? Sabi ko naman sa inyo palagi, when an opportunity comes, you grab it. Diba? Kasi ang mga opportunity once lang siya dumating. Pag nawala na, ibig sabihin, tatagal na ulit yan bago dumating siya ulit. Okay? So, Miss Angelica, any other words po again for our students?
Ano ba? Puro throwback yung naiisip ko kasi parang I can only hope pwede rin akong bumalik sa 10 years ago, no?
Tama.
Para naiba ko pa siguro yung mga yung mga financial decisions na ginawa ko sa buhay ko. Baka mayaman na ako ngayon. De, joke. Ayun, siguro at your age, it's enjoy nyo lang yung pag-aaral kasi yung pag-aaral ngayon is an investment, also an investment for your future. It's also like an intangible investment for your future. So part ng financial literacy is itong part ng education, itong financial literacy. So siguro habang bata, enjoy yung pag-aaral or pagiging estudyante. Pero at the same time, unti-unti nyo ring i-equip yung sarili nyo with knowledge para pagtapos ng student life, harap na kasi kayo sa totoong hamon ng buhay, which is yung adulthood. So, papasok na kayo sa pag-work. And I don't want to, to spoil the next few years for you, pero, it's not gonna be easy. Kaya, as early as now, i-equip nyo na yung sarili nyo with the knowledge and siguro yung resilience. Grabe resilience
skills
talaga.
din, no? Skills.
Kasi pag nandun na kayo, you'll understand, mahirap maging adult. Kaya, right now, unti-unti nyo nang i-prepare yung sarili nyo. Pero, make sure that you still get to enjoy where you are right now. Kasi, this is the youngest that you will ever be.
Baka
So,
mamaya ano 'no,
yun.
sa sobrang stress kailangan meron akong ganito. Hindi na na-enjoy
Hindi,
yung
hindi naman.
pag-aaral.
Hindi naman. Ayun, yun lang. Ano, parang, ano kasi, parang yun nga, parang masarap i-look forward yung mga dadating na ano, na taon if you know kung
Haharapin.
paano mo siya tatahakin, parang gano'n.
Ayan,
Ayun,
true.
so yun lang, equip niyo yung sarili niyo with ano, with, unti-unti financial literacy. Ngayon nakaka-receive kayo ng allowances, try to save,
Mhm,
kahit paunti-unti.
mm,
Mag-ano kayo, i-maximize niyo yung mga money savings challenge
hmm,
kahit paunti-unti kasi yun nga, it's important. It's really important. I can only emphasize kung gaano ka-important yung mag-save, yung personal savings, and also in the future yung emergency fund.
mhm.
Tapos ayun, para you can ano, once lang tayo maging adult, so let's do it well. Ayun.
Okay, thank you so
Tsaka
much,
ano, well, in a sense na na-enjoy natin yung
mhm.
adult life.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Angelica. So again, pasalamatan natin ang ating guest
Thank you so
speaker, si Miss
much.
Angelica Ellaga, PRU Life UK Advisor. Ayan. So again, pag gusto niyo nang malaman pa further about insurance, don't hesitate na tawagan si Miss Angelica or also chat her on her Facebook and also send her an email. Lagi yan updated si Miss Angelica sa email. Yan, kasi laging yun ang
Ah,
ano pagpasok namin sa opisina, bukas agad ang email. Yun lagi,
pagising
nakasanayan
sa
na
umaga. True.
umaga pa lang, pag unang hawak, hindi Facebook, email ang binubuksan. Yan, thank you so
Pareho.
much, Miss Angelica, for
Thank you so
being our guest
much for the
advisor.
opportunity.
And of course, more power for PRU Life UK. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.